Hi guys, welcome to the Baseline. Today we're going to be talking about the Luigi Mangione case, and we're going to talk about Miranda rights. All right, so welcome back to the Baseline podcast. We're going to cut through the noise and break down some of the legal battles that matter today. We're diving deep into the case that has been raising some serious questions about Miranda rights, unlawful detention, evidence suppression, the case of Luigi Mangione, the alleged shooter of the UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. There's a lot of controversy about the arrest. So, did law enforcement cross the line? Was Mangione illegally detained? And could this challenge shake up both the Pennsylvania and the New York cases? So we're going to try to break it all down here. Stay with me. And if you get a free moment, I'd be honored if you guys would like and subscribe to the channel, yeah? So what's happening? Here's the deal, right? Blair County, Pennsylvania prosecutors just asked for more time to these explosive allegations from Mangione's defense attorneys, specifically Thomas Dickey. And here's what's at stake. Mangione's attorneys are arguing that his arrest was illegal. And he says that the police seized his belongings, including his backpack, without a warrant. Now, here's the kicker, right? He wasn't read his Miranda rights for 17 minutes while being surrounded by 10 law enforcement officers inside that McDonald's. Now, you don't have to be a lawyer to know that if someone isn't free to leave, that is called custody. And when custody happens, Miranda rights must be read before questioning begins. So let's pause right there. Drop a comment. Do you guys think this will hold up in court? Or is this another legal technicality that defense attorneys use to get their clients off of serious charges? So here's the next part of things, right? The evidence war. So why does this matter? Why does this motion matter? Because if any evidence obtained during this, and it could mean that evidence could be thrown out. The alleged gun, the manifesto, and any statements he made prior to his Miranda rights being read. So in legal terms, it's called the fruit of the poisonous tree. It's the arrest. If the arrest was unlawful, then anything obtained becomes inadmissible. So here's the wild part. The prosecution had 10 days to respond to this motion, and they failed to meet the deadline. So now they're scrambling for an extension. Why? Do they need more time to check the body cams? Were some body cams conveniently off during the key moments? Does this mean the defense's claims might actually hold some water? What do you guys think? Does this help the prosecution or prove the defense's point? Sound off below if you could. So, the bigger picture here. This case just isn't about one man. It's about the entire corrupt healthcare system. UnitedHealthcare, one of the biggest denial machines in America, is now under civil investigation by the Department of Justice for its Medicare fraud schemes. Their new CEO was directly involved in shady Medicare Advantage practices, where the company inflated patient sickness scores to milk more money out of the system. So, now, they just announced they'll cut 10% of their prior authorization requirements. So how generous, right? Cutting a fraction of the red tape that literally keeps people from getting life-saving health care. So this is what happens when we're prioritizing profit over patients and human beings. So here's what's next, guys. March 19th, federal hearing in New York. Pennsylvania prosecutors must respond to the defense motion soon. Potential suppression of evidence could shake this case to its core. And we'll be following every step of the way. So thank you again for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. And we look forward to seeing you in the next round. All right, take care.